So product I'm going to be using today is our brand new U-Flock blow dry cream. I've got about a, what should we say, the diameter of a ping pong ball. That's how much I'm going to be using in this head today. Mannequins are renowned to be a lot drier in texture, so that's why I'm going to be getting a lot in here. But fine to medium hair, you want to be using a small piece, and then if you need more, you'll learn to use a little bit more. Thicker hair, coarser hair, dry hair, you could be using sort of a, I would say just a little bit less than a ping pong ball, and then you'll see, and then work from there. If you're going to be cocktailing or layering with products such as oils or anything like that, Joico Blonde Life, or the, oh, what is it? The colourful, it's my favourite one, Glow Beyond. If you're going to be mixing that with it, you want to be using a little bit less of our U-Flock, but it is absolutely beautiful. And what it is infused with is collagen, so it makes it really smooth, supple. It's like Botox for hair, makes your hair look and feel younger. And Baruti oil, again, for moisture, for elasticity, for bounce, and just for shine and moisture again. So yeah, that's what collagen and Baruti oil will do in here. And the reason I didn't use an oil, I just want to show you what that product does today. Brand new hairdryer on the market, launched this week, is the Alpha Italia Aurora. Really cool little hairdryer. So first off, what I want to be doing is I want to be taking the hair to around about 70% dry. Sometimes I say 80, sometimes 70. These mannequin heads, if you're taking it to around about 70% dry, then get your brush in there, you can get a really nice finish from it. If it's a client and their hair obviously dries really quickly, you could probably leave it about 50, 60% through here, because then as you start to dry, that's already drying off. So that's what I would say. And then I'm going to get my ball bristle brush and then just do a nice smooth blow dry, tucking it under slightly, but then creating this face frame blow out, blow dry. So the reason for blow drying it to a percentage of dry is because you don't want, when you start sectioning, you want the roots to already be pretty much dry, because once you start sectioning and then leaving it to dry with a clip in, it then creates those marks in the hair. So this is about, I'd say 70% dry. Ends are probably a little bit more, sort of like 60% dry, so a little bit wetter, just because I'm going to be working with those a little bit more. But I know now that I'm not going to get any marks when it comes to sectioning. And if you watched my other video on my blow drying, the quickest way to blow dry hair ever, this is the quickest way to blow dry a bob ever. And it's all thanks to Ian Davis, the mindful hairdresser, if you want to go and see what he does. But it is basically 3 sections. A 3-section blow dry separates it all out really simply for you. Round circles, it is round circles, but round sections, because then it just breaks it down, and then we've got a beautiful blow dry. So like I said in that other video, we don't want our sections to be perfectly round, because when it's perfectly round, if the hair isn't 100% dry, you're going to start creating sort of like perfectly round marks in the hair. So what I tend to do is we work around about 1 inch from the front. I then just draw my clip or a comb straight around the head. That's pretty neat, to be honest. Very neat. But we're just going to roll with it. And then I'm just going to take that section here. But because my roots are already dry, I ain't got to worry about marks when it comes to sectioning. I just got a little message from Gregory Blackcomb Barber. So he followed me on Instagram today, and I looked at his page and I was like, oh, who's this? Uses Joico Lumi 10 Fanatic, same as me. And he's literally just messaged back, and I just shared his work. He does grey blending. I'll get in the shot, shall I? He does grey blending with Lumi 10, so 10 minutes on he's a barber in America, Canada, I think. So I just shared his reel and I said, really cool. And he's messaged back, my jaw dropped. Wow. See, it's cool, isn't it? Like, just, you don't know who's watching what you do and everything like that. And I said, just like, sick bro, keep it up. Love to see it. I'm in awe right now. Thank you so much. So yeah, Gregory Dennis. He's the Blackcomb Barber on Instagram. If you want to go and follow, I'll bring him up so you can see. There he is. So if you go and check out his work or go and see his grey blending on Lumi 10 on his Instagram, message in it and just say, hey, I came from Paul Watts Hair, because that would be pretty cool. I said I was going to use my ball bristle, but the ball bristle for Alpha Italia aren't out yet. So I'm going to use just the normal ones. These are really good. Hairdryer on. So that's how the front is sitting. So that beautiful face frame. Look, you just flick that out and it just stays there. But you can see all this shape through here. Yeah, love it. How quick is this blow dry though? And then again, that is that all done. You can see. Look, let's just open that up there. Got a beautiful face framing bob. Really nice and healthy. So again, on the top, we go back in again. I'm going to go in about, what, 1.5 inches through here. Just to create another small incision, section, which leaves us that on the perimeter. Let's just jump to the sectioning board and I'll show you how to section. So it's basically, first off, is a round section like that, clipped out of the way. So you'll be looking at it like that, and then coming from there round like that. Let's do different coloured pens. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it'll be nice. Green. We're then going to come in here like that. Oh, not that deep, Paul. Like that. And then it leaves us with that section to finish off. So easy, so quick. When Ian showed me it, I was just like, mate, been blow drying for 15 years and I've only just learned this. Right, so a breakdown of the sectioning pattern, super simple. Let's get into this. Now I'm just going to jump onto this last section, top section, and we can blow dry it. I mean, you could wrap dry this top section if you wanted it to be really quite flat. If you want some extra volume, blow dry it all back, push it forward. I'm going to blow dry it where it wants to live. So these sections down here and the back falling back. If I wanted some extra volume, I'd blow dry this front back. And there's that. That is the blow dry finished. Look at how glossy and beautiful that looks. We're just going to open that up. Fingers and thumbs. A little bit of shape. There we go, guys. That is the finished result from the blow dry. What do you think? Super quick, super simple. 3 sections, blow dry it nice and smooth, tuck it under, and then blow dry the fringe out, and then you can just get your fingers and thumbs, spread it out. Let me know in the comments down below if you find this helpful, how to blow dry a bob, the quickest and easiest way in the world ever. Until next time, we'll see you on the next video.